Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It was pretty easy to create and these, fortunately I didn't have to do them all individually. They came in like a whole thing you just stick on here and underneath your eyes. Got it on Amazon, I will link it below. And yeah, I just think this is so cool. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. So I've already done all of my foundation. Now I'm just going to start bronzing up my face. And I'm going to go a little bit heavy with the bronzer to really get that contour. Now I'm just going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This one's in the shade Champagne. Just put that on the cheekbones. And go in pretty ham with this. Now I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab Armed and Gorgeous from the Vault collection. And I'm going to be using this shade VIP in the inner corners. Now I'm just taking a flat synthetic brush and using the shade Coin, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to go into the Dark Magic from the Vault collection and use this darkest shade over here. This one is called Temptress. I'm just going to take my fluffy crease brush and start to just pat that onto the outer corner. I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush and start to just blend that out a little bit, soften up the edges. So now I'm going to start with the face paint kit, and I'm first going to be using the white to just start putting it on certain points on my face. Start hopefully looking like a comic. Now I'm just taking some of the black paint from that paint palette, and I'm just going to outline my inner corners. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my jewels on my face. Now I'm just going to do a few of these lines for the contours of the face. For my lips, I'm going to use the red face paint in the palette and just put that on my lips. Now I'm just going to put a few white flecks on my lips. And just put some white lines underneath these. Only by frozen memories. Alright, now I'm gonna pop on some lashes and do a few last minute touches. So I have my lashes on. I put a little bit of extra glitter underneath of here, and this is the completed look. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and it's actually pretty easy. I just looked at some pictures like on Pinterest and stuff like that of pop art and got these decals on Amazon. You can get them at the craft store too, in little individual ones if you want to make your own. And I think they have them at like the Party Store and Target, stuff like that. I'll link the ones below that I got. And this looks so cool. Now I just need a costume to go with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below with other videos that you'd like to see, and I will see you guys next time.